Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple and straightforward method to insert your signature into a Google Docs document. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, open up your web browser and type docs.google.com in the search bar and hit Enter button. Once you're there, access the specific document in which you want to insert your signature. For this demonstration, I'll be using a sample document. Step 2. Now, let's find the spot where you'd like to insert your signature. In my case, I'm going to place it at the bottom of the page. I'll make some space by deleting this portion right here. Step 3. To insert your electronic signature, follow these steps. Click on the Insert section in the top menu bar. Then select Drawing and choose New. Once the drawing window opens, click on Select Line and then click on the line. Create a line by drawing it with your mouse or stylus. The length of the line can vary depending on your preference. You can also change the color of the line if you'd like. Step 4. Now that we have the line in place, let's position it. Click above the line, and you'll be ready to insert your signature. Step 5. It's time to add your actual signature. Go back to the Insert tab, click on Drawing, and select New. This time, choose Scribble from the options. This will allow you to draw your signature directly onto the document. You can use a stylus or your mouse for this part. Once you're satisfied with your signature, click Save and Close. Step 6. You'll now see your signature on the document. Click on it to reveal a box that you can use to resize and reposition your signature as needed. And that's it. You've successfully inserted your signature into a Google Docs document. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.